Here are all the parts that are included with the Radiant installation kit. The electrical cover plate and cover plate screws only apply to the hardwired models. You'll also need a standard Phillips screwdriver, which is not included. Begin by inserting the bracket bolts into the mounting brackets and using the large Allen key to secure them to the back of the unit. Pick up the model and position it on the wall where you wish for it to be mounted, and mark the location of each mounting bracket. Make sure that the center points are correct and measured properly, both horizontally and vertically, from each of the center points of the mounting brackets. These points are important because you will need to make sure that the bottom of your unit aligns with the hardwiring point on your wall. Always make sure that the whole arrangement is level. Drill through each of the center points on the wall for each mounting bracket, and insert a drywall anchor in each location. Next, install the mounting bushings with the mounting screws. Do this for each of the 4 legs. Next, secure the electrical cover plate over and onto the electrical tube, and slide the mounting brackets over the bushings. Secure each of the 4 mounting brackets on their bushings using the included set screws and small Allen key to tighten. For hardwired installations, you will now need to turn off the power to the circuit at the breaker. If you are unfamiliar with electrical work, we highly recommend you contact a professional electrician for the next few steps. For plug-in models, you're already done. Simply plug the unit into an electrical outlet and you're ready to go. Connect each cable to its respective color and cap each wire connection with wire connectors. You can then place all cables into a junction box directly behind the electrical cover plate. Secure the plate with the cover plate screws. At this point, you can turn your breaker on, remove the caps from each corner, and turn on the unit. For more information, visit our website at ambaproducts.com.